She's underwater again. Somebody's daughter, a friend. In the night, in the dark, in the cold, as she walks far away. Nobody's watching, drowning in words so sweet. Mild is the water, cold as a bird once free. I don't mind. Hope is a distance unreached. Ink on her skin incomplete, and the faint sound of friends as she neared to the end. She had peace. Nobody's watching, drowning in words so sweet. Mild is the water, cold as a bird once free. I don't mind. I don't mind. Where does your star go from here? Lost in the grip, nobody's watching, drowning in words so sweet. Mild is the water, cold as a bird once free. Nobody's watching.